In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign roles in Discord. Roles are the backbone of how your server stays organized and secure. They determine what members can do, help highlight teams with colors or tags, and make moderating smoother. To follow along, you'll need permission to manage roles on the server. If you don't see certain options I mention, you may not have the required permission, and that's okay to check with an admin later. Start by opening Discord and entering the server where you want to make the change. Make sure you're on the correct server in the left sidebar, especially if you're a member of multiple communities. Once you're in, look to the top left corner and click the server name. That opens a menu where you'll choose Server Settings. This is the control room for your server, where all the administrative tools live. Inside Server Settings, look at the sidebar and select Members under the User Management section. This page lists everyone in your server and shows you what roles they already have. If your server is large, use the search bar at the top to quickly find the person you're looking for. It saves time and avoids scrolling. When you find the member you want to update, hover over their row and click the plus icon next to their name. That plus button is your shortcut to assigning roles. A list of available roles will pop up. Choose the role you want them to have by clicking it. You can assign more than one role if that's how your server is structured. Many servers layer a general role with a team or project role for clarity. The change applies immediately. If the role has a color, you may notice their name update across the server. More importantly, any permissions linked to that role take effect right away, so they can access new channels, use specific commands, or help with moderation based on how the role was set up. If you don't see the role you had in mind, it means roles need to be configured by someone with access to role settings, but the assignment process will be the same once those roles exist. That's all there is to it. Open your server, go to Server Settings, head to Members, find your user, hit the plus, and select the role. Simple, quick, and a powerful way to keep your community organized. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, consider sharing it with your team so everyone applies the same process consistently.